Hello everyone, once again welcome to my channel. My name is Aditya Dubey and today we are gonna code these two buttons. In my last part I said that I will code I think these all three buttons, but I made a video for it and it was too long to post on YouTube. So I decided that I will only choose these two buttons for today's coding. So let's code now. So first we are gonna look at, okay, it's divide button in here. I've also selected the numbers. Eh, I'm not selected, I just written them. I don't know why I've written them. So it's divide and subtract. So first write their names. Okay. Okay. So I've written their names. Now let's take on event. On event means when the particular ID, the particular thing, click or input or mouse up, mouse down, then what will happen? So we have to write the ID is button 3. Okay. And this is button 2. Let's code for button 2 first. Okay. Next, we have to check for set number. Yeah, set number, and we have to take the ID of our answer label. It's ID label 3. So we'll get to label 3 here. Okay. We don't have to give any value in this 0. So we have to go to math and the subtract operator. You can see the hyphen here and put it here 0. Oh, so next we have to go to UR controls and then get number. Remember, do not choose get text or set text, because if you choose this console will come up and it will show an error in this debug console area. So let's code for let's code for this now. And here's get number. Let me wait for some time. Okay, so next we have to do get number. So we just drag it here near the first one, first blank, then the second one, and the ID should be same text input 1 and text input 2. So let's mark it text input 1, input 2. Okay. Okay, so I think this button is done. Let's check if any errors are coming. So I'll write the number 45 and 6. Let's subtract it. Okay, 39. So let's take a look at the calculator. 5 and minus 6. So both the numbers are same. Both the responses are same. So it means that the button is working correctly. So our next button is the divide button. Let's reset it. And I told you how to look at the IDs. So it's button 3. We'll take on event. On event means when the particular ID or the button click, so what will happen? So I'll type here is button 3. Yeah, I'll type here button 3 and click. Next we have to use set number. It must be easy to you as the operators are only the operators have difference, but not these things like set number and the get number. They do not have a difference, but operators have been changed like multiply operator, subtract operator, add operator. So let's like label 3, the answer label where the answer will come. We have to go to math now and take divide operator. Okay, divide operators and go to UI controls, then get number, get number and get number. So we have to put text input 1 in here, text input 1, and here's text input 1. So the divide button is also done. So I think I have to open the calculator as these codes are very okay. Sorry for that. I was somewhere, so I paused the video. Okay, so we were doing this button 2 and 3, I think, and it's now finished. Okay, so I think that the video is not that much long, so we can change the font color also here. You can go to this click this placeholder or text input, and you can change this to blue or whatever you want, the color you want. I'm choosing this blue, and for here I'm choosing red. Okay, so it's done, and next you have to go on this, you have to click on this blank screen and then background color and choose whatever you want. uh, Little darker. Yeah, it's now correct. So thanks for watching. In my next video I'll code this button, and I'll do something else also as the video will be too short. So thanks for watching.